Revenge, it's just a simple 7-letter word printed in English dictionary, isn't it? No, it's larger than that. People become so desperate and crazy that they cross all the limits and go to any extent to take revenge. Today, I've got a success story of a car company which was established to take revenge. Yes, as you saw in the thumbnail, today I'm gonna talk about the success story of Lamborghini Automobiles. Who's the founder of it, why was it established, and how did it become so successful? So, let's start from the beginning. Ferruccio Lamborghini, the founder of Lamborghini Automobiles. He was born on 28th April 1916 in Rinazzo, Italy. His parents were Antonio Lamborghini and Evelina Lamborghini. Ferruccio was interested in mechanical objects and loved cars a lot since his childhood. So he followed his passion and graduated with an engineering degree from the Fratilla Taddea Technical Institute near Bologna. After completing his studies, Ferruccio joined the Italian Royal Air Force and worked as a mechanic, and during those days World War II was going on. After World War II, Ferruccio opened a garage in Pieve di Cento and modified his old Fiat Topolino in his spare time into a tractor. In 1947, the post-World War II, Ferruccio recognized the Italians devoting themselves towards agriculture to revive their country's economy. So he started a tractor manufacturing company and named it Lamborghini Trattori. In 1948, Lamborghini Trattori was one of the biggest and most successful tractor manufacturing company, and therefore Ferruccio earned a lot of money. So to fulfill his dream, he bought Ferrari 250 GT, the sports car. But over the time, Ferruccio found problem in the clutch and found that there was no difference between the clutch used in the Ferrari car and the clutch he uses in his tractors. So he directly went to Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari, to complain about the problem in the car. But Enzo Ferrari didn't like Ferruccio's move and humiliated him, telling, "You are after all a tractor driver, you are a farmer, you shouldn't complain driving my cars because they are the best cars in the world." After hearing this, Ferruccio got very angry, and that was the moment when he decided to start a car company to take the revenge against Ferrari. Then Ferruccio started a small auto factory in Sant'Agata, Italy, and hired 3 ex-employees of Ferrari. But why did he hire ex-employees of Ferrari? I'll tell you about it at the end. In 1963, he registered the company as Automobili Lamborghini, which means Lamborghini Automobiles, and launched its first car, Lamborghini 350 GT, in 1964. Unfortunately, that car wasn't a big hit. But Lamborghini gained popularity when it launched Lamborghini Miura in 1966, and people loved it because of its high performance. Since then, the sales of Lamborghini cars skyrocketed, and Lamborghini Automobiles became one of the most famous and successful sports car companies in the world. Okay, my dear friends, now we've come to the end of the video. So what are the lessons we learned? The first lesson, follow your passion. As I already said, Ferruccio Lamborghini was interested in mechanical objects and loved cars. That's why he could successfully establish a tractor manufacturing company and later a car manufacturing company. If a person wants to succeed, he or she must follow their passion. That's the only way to succeed in their life. So if you want to succeed in your life, follow your passion. Lesson number 2. Never insult anyone or else think they are lesser than you. Who knows, probably that person may have greater potential than you. See, if Enzo Ferrari hadn't insulted Ferruccio Lamborghini, probably he wouldn't have entered car manufacturing sector. Maybe he would have entered in the later years, but definitely not at that point of time. The third and last lesson for the video. Why did Ferruccio Lamborghini hire the ex-employees of Ferrari? See, this is not the only case where someone hired the ex-employees of the rivalry company. There are many companies which do like this. Even in 2019, Apple hired the ex-vice president of Tesla and even some ex-employees. But why do companies do like this? The main reason for hiring the ex-employees of the rival companies is to learn the work culture and operations of them, like how the companies treat their employees, how often the employees are rewarded with incentives and bonuses, how the companies get their work done by the employees and in how many days. And one more strong reason is that the ex-employees are already experienced. So all these things help them grow in a much faster pace and compete with their rival companies. Okay, that's it for today guys. If you found the video useful and love the content, please like, share and subscribe, and make sure you follow BMFU on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description. If you're watching this video on Instagram or else Facebook and haven't yet followed BMFU, go follow because I keep posting daily motivational content on the pages. And that's it. I'll meet you in the next week with a new video.